Drop.
Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to learn about touch sensitivity. That means what is the good touch and bad touch. We will learn to recognize the difference between good touch and bad touch. Understand that your body belongs to you. Learn to say no and walk away from unsafe situations. Identify trusted adults to talk to. Gain confidence to speak without any fear or shame. Learn hand signals and uses of child helpline number. From our very childhood, we get a lot of touch of our mothers, which is the most beautiful, most reliable, and the most safe, the safest feeling of the world. Now, we know that we always feel secure with our loved ones, parents, and the close ones. It's always good to be in their touch. We also touch our friends when we are playing, when we are learning, when we are enjoying our lives, and it's very beautiful. So, it's not only bad that if someone touches you, it is very good as well. But touch is not always very good. Sometimes some people touch us in such a way that it leaves us with fear, terror, and chills. Something that is very unforeseen, something that never feels good. It makes us nauseous, it makes us very uncomfortable, and we don't know what to do in such situations. Sometimes we let it go as a random feeling or just, nothing. But sometimes it's very repeated and hard to avoid. It's very difficult to say it to the people. When someone says us to touch their private parts, or they try to touch ours, or something which is very unlikely and something that is physical, and we cannot see it to anyone. Sometimes the worst part is when we feel like we are webbed, we are actually trapped in the net of being someone adult, very powerful, and not being able to tell anyone. We feel like we are left out, lonely, and cannot be helped. But help me is always an option. Recognize the difference between good touch and bad touch. A good touch always feels us happy, and it is from the safe spots, that is your shoulder, your hands, and a bad touch is always to your chest, pelvic, or back areas. In such cases, always shout.
No, no, no!
This is a list given of the good touch areas and the bad touch areas. Head, hands, legs are your safe areas to touch, while lips, chest, back, buttocks, and even the parts between your legs are very unsafe areas to touch. If someone tries to touch you there, it's wrong. In fact, repeated touch of your strangers or anyone who is outside in your family, means your parents, repeatedly touching to your safe areas, that is also very unsafe and should not be done. You should always run away from such situations also, because these can be the hint of someone very, very bad, right? Your body belongs to you. That means you have all the rights to protect it and to be in the limits that you set for yourself. That means you have to always feel right. And if something doesn't feel right, please don't seek for anyone's permission. Touching your body is something which only and only allows and permits you to say yes or no. Speak up, set boundaries, trust your feelings, and do not let yourself be caged by anyone. Always follow no, go, tell rule. No. Never hesitate saying no when someone is trying to touch you abruptly. No matter who that person is. Never see any nude pictures or anyone's private parts or ever anyone says to show yours. Always go. Go to the safer place and go as far as you can from the reach of such person. Never get trapped in such people. Tell. Who's the safest person to tell? It's your parents. Always. Please tell your parents, and their parents will see that person very carefully, and you will always be safe. Often talk to your parents about what happened to your school friends. Never go anywhere without telling your parents. Always talk to them. speak to them, reach out to them, and inform them proper location and the people you are going with. Never ever take gifts from the strangers, no matter who they are, but apart from your parents, they are definitely stranger. Never take food, chocolates, or any eatables, anything, no matter how much favorite it is yours, but never accept it. Use child helplines and the signals 10, 9, 8 is the child helpline for India. You might want to know of your country. Also, you always use this hand signal. Fold your thumb and trap it under the fingers to the situations where you cannot say anything and people passing by would definitely help you. No matter who the person is, be it your coach, be it anyone who's so powerful, just shout for help.
Help! 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 Help!
The world is very beautiful, and together with awareness, we can always make a safe and happy place for you children to grow happily and peacefully. Thank you. Join the SciSoc Academy for personality development, aptitude, and academic classes, and we will help you by the sessions. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.